Welcome to Happiest Places Home, the interior design channel. I'm Suzanne, an interior designer and your hostess. Even though I'm proud of all of my videos, I would say there are fantastic offerings in this one. I think you'll love my dupes. And there won't be anything else Easter after this, but we're starting with dupes for the Pottery Barn sculpted bunnies. You may look at these and say, what were they thinking? But these are actually based on museum pieces. They were original art by, I don't even know what the artist was, and they're very expensive. I don't know if that's why they tried to recreate the same look, or I don't know what they were doing. But now that you know that, does it change your opinion about them if you didn't like them? I'm not sure. I'm not saying I love these because I also think they're weird if you do. But I found a dupe and you are going to be floored. Someone got a hold of the same manufacturer of the Pottery Barn pieces, and they are selling them at a discount. The trick is, and I've shown you things like this before, like there was a wreath for the fall that was the exact same wreath as Pottery Barn. More of you, I noticed, bought that than anything I've ever shown you. It's a risk because I don't know how many they have, but they're selling them for $24 each, and there is a shipping fee. When there's a shipping fee, you do know that this is coming from another country, probably. So if you buy these, you're buying them at your own risk that it might take a while. But how exciting, and what a fun gamble to take. So if you do decide to buy them, I'd love to hear your experience, and I cannot guarantee that experience, but seems like quite the opportunity. And like I said, I don't think they're duping necessarily. They just are selling the same exact thing from whoever made them. This is the May Paisley pillow cover. It's 22 by 22, so designer size. It has beautiful embroidery on it, and it's priced higher than a lot of their pillow covers, and it is because of the detail work on it. So it's very lovely. You know, it's more of a traditional thing, so if you're going modern, this isn't going to work for you. But if you have a neutral home that is not defined by a style, you just have a lot of neutrals and that's the style, then this could work for you, or in a traditional house. So I found a great alternative. Are you ready? I found a set of pillows, so you get both of these. It's the one in the front that is, of course, the dupe. It's not Paisley. It's got kind of a damask slash, like it's not uniform like damask. Who cares? It looks a lot like that pillow, and I love the color. I like the fact that these do coordinate so well together. They're done perfectly. These are by a designer called Becky Cameron, and they are $46 for the two pillows, on sale right now, down from $78. And once again, that's at Target. At Pottery Barn, we have new pillow options in blue. One of them is an older one that's on the left there. The one that I am going to show you a dupe for is going to come up at the bottom, and you will have a chance to see it closer up as well in a second. So this one, instead of the $79.50, it's $59.50, and that's because there isn't actual embroidery on it. It is a printed fabric, and it's kind of like a damask. So let's take a look at what I found. Well, this one ended up being really easy to find because they had a similar situation at Target where Becky Cameron offered a pair. I don't know who Becky Cameron is, by the way, and I'm sorry if I'm supposed to and if you do. But she makes some really beautiful pillow combos here. Anyway, it's $44. You get both. And it's just like the other one where you're getting that natural looking stripe, but you're getting the one that looks a lot like the Pottery Barn new pillow for spring. And these are 20 by 20, so designer size. 20 by 20 or 22 by 22 are designer size. You can get away with 18, but you're gonna want that 20 in the background of a trio of pillows for the most part. You've been waiting, I'm sure, to see some beautiful, colorful, springy images from Pottery Barn. Well, here they are now. They have different palettes this spring, but one that they've had for many years is the yellow and blue look, which is very pretty. What we'll focus on in these are the faux flowers. They're selling a new branch this spring. It's a quince branch in yellow. Now, they had a peach one last spring, and they still are selling it, but this is a very high price for a branch. So let me show you an alternative that I came up with. Rather than a quince branch, which really seems like it's a Pottery Barn thing this spring, because everyone else has forsythia. And by the way, Pottery Barn has forsythia for just under $20 for their branch. Well, compare the quince and their forsythia to this $3.99 branch at home. I have found some great deals on floral, I was going to say arrangements, on floral stems there. And I showed you some in just a recent video, but this one I think is a great dupe for it because it's super tall and it's going to give you that same effect. This buffet is a part of Pottery Barn's new Blair herringbone collection. They've been showing these pieces as some of the first that came out as their new products kind of post-holiday. Some of them were shown before, right before Christmas. But I do like the buffet. I feel like all of the Blair pieces are not that incredibly high priced the way that Pottery Barn normally is. So there you see it with the buffet with the dining table that's also the Blair. I do like the warm but blonde color of this, and because of that price, maybe we didn't need to find a dupe because it's affordable. But I found one that's so close and for such a better price that I thought I'd better show you. This piece has more of a modern shape to it. If you have a traditional home, maybe you wouldn't have wanted this. We have the fluting, which is ultra modern, but we still have that herringbone. You know what? The herringbone's modern too, so if you like the other piece, you probably will like this. Now, just like the other piece, there's marble on the top. But I just love the idea that it has the curves, the fluting, so it's got so many modern flares all in one piece, but it also just looks like an artistic design. You know, it's like, you know, there's rectangular and linear furniture left and right, but these curves are just giving it that extra something. Do you agree? And then that price in the $400 range versus the $1,500 plus, pretty good. We have a new piece in the Somerville collection from Pottery Barn. It's this secretary desk, and I think these are really fun because it's so functional. This would be great in a guest room if you're also using it as, you know, from time to time, something that you do work calls on, whatever. This reminds me of something that my mother had for years, and it was really looking so passé. And we got rid of it when my mother passed a few years ago. And here we are with, you know, a new release on this. But if you like secretary desks like this Pottery Barn one, I will tell you that Ballard Design has more than you could ever dream of in different colors and shapes. But I have one for you that is going to blow your mind compared to this. Okay, so you feasted your eyes here. Let's get ready to take a look at my alternative. while you could go the Pottery Barn route, if it were me, I would go in this direction. It's by Butler Furniture. It's called their Danforth Secretary. I have to be honest, part of what makes this piece look extra gorgeous was that room that you saw originally because it's so well done. But also, I will tell you that this piece looks so similar to truly historic antiques that you can see for yourself at the Philadelphia Museum of Art. They have a whole section where they've recreated a few rooms, and it's all behind glass, of course, and stanchions, but it's real antique early American furniture, and there are beautiful pieces there. This looks like they took it right out. Butler Furniture stole it right out of the Philadelphia Museum of Art and is selling it to you. And it's on sale for $1,500 right now. So, and that's at Paragold. I thought I would show you that, even though the handles were different from Pottery Barn. It's just superb, and that's why I decided to select this piece. There are other secretaries out there, and there are plenty of them at Ballard Design if you wanted to check that out too, in a multitude of colors. But if you have a traditional home, you might be pretty happy with this piece. You could pass it down for generations, and I think it would be treasured. I spent some time looking at different secretary desks because I thought I would throw some in as design finds. I found more than this, but I decided that this was the one that I wanted to share. So it has the traditional wood color, yet it does have some modern flares on it with the scalloped glass and with this slender shape of it. Now this can go in a spot where you don't have room for much else, but you have a very functional piece of furniture as well. So, if you have a big space, you're not going to throw a skinny cabinet in. Just don't do that. You wouldn't. But if you have a tiny space and you do need some extra room to work, then here it is. This piece is not new. It's looking springy because they put their cone hydrangeas in it. But I'm showing you this Vintner's 6-drawer wide dresser for a reason. It is a bestseller at Pottery Barn. There are so many bedrooms across America and Canada and now maybe the UK. Did you hear Pottery Barn's in the UK? So I don't know if it's a bestseller there, but this is everywhere. And if you do appreciate this dresser, but you haven't taken the step to get it for the $2,000+ I have something else for you here. I've been spending a lot of time in furniture stores trying out different pieces of soft furnishings for videos, and I spotted this when I was at a store, and it looked so much like the Vintner dresser, but it just has a different shape. It also looks like the Hemnes at IKEA, but nicer, right? And this, by the way, the dresser at Pottery Barn does have MDF, and it has veneers, so don't assume that this isn't as high quality. Now, I could find you less expensive dressers even than this, but I think this one is beautiful and looks like it's quality. So I wanted to show you this. When I tag this item, if you're interested in it, it may come from a different store because I'm going to try to find the lowest price available on this, and it is available at different retailers. I wanted to jump on really quickly to talk to you about bedside tables. One of the viewers, the handle is M. Barry, asked about recommendations for bedside tables, and I have a few for you. Now, but in general, I thought I should give you a few tips, and that's why I decided to do it on camera rather than just showing you those bedside tables while I talk about it. If you want a designer look in your bedroom, you'll want to try to get a wider bedside table. So over 30 inches wide, but obviously it has to fit in your space. So a good rule of thumb is the following. On that bedside table wall, you'll want to have about a foot or maybe a little more or maybe a little less on either side of the outside of the table. Here is what I wanted to answer. You'll want the table, if it fits, to be over 30 inches wide, but 30 inches or a little more tall. Or, this is why we had to get on camera, you will measure the height of your mattress and you'll want your bedside table to be about 4 to 5 inches above that height. You don't want your table to be even. It can be, but you definitely don't want it lower. When you flip your duvet or your quilt or whatever, your blanket, if it's the same level, you're going to knock things off your bedside table. But I've selected one that is walnut and blonde wood, and they're the right size, and they are so well priced. And then I found one that looks like my own bedside tables, which I think is what M. Barry might have been after, and those are a great price. And the other question that came up was, where was my duvet from? And I didn't say that on last week's video because last week's video was a Walmart video, and the bedding that I had was from Room Essentials Target, so super cheap. And I just bought a king size comforter with those stripes, which I think was a summer product, so they may not have it anymore. So ladies, here with me. And so that, I'll tag that. Everything in this video will be tagged and you'll be able to find everything really easily. If you did find anything in this video that you liked, if you wouldn't mind using the tags, because it really helps the channel. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you again next Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for watching.